Hey everybody, it's another adventure of working on the Monkeebutt. Today's a big day for the Monkeebutt. She goes through a little bit of a change. She's gonna start out as a little caterpillar and come out a butterfly today. So, go ahead and give you a quick look at it. This is where it's at right now. Everything is wood colored and blue. So we are keeping the blue. That's kind of a theme that we're working with. And for those of you that know me, I'm a big Gator fan, so we're going to work with the blue. And you can probably guess where we're going to go with this. So I'll go ahead and give you a quick little show of what's been done recently. It's the middle of the day, it's hot, it's sunny, so it's kind of hard to film here. So first off, got the skis made. Got holes all the way through to the bottom. We're just expecting the water to come up to halfway or so and then drain out as we start to move. Got a 25 horsepower for it now. Mercury, electric start, pull start, so we should be good. Not expecting anything fast, 10 miles per hour is probably the fastest I'm gonna go. We did put some nets over the spaces here. We're gonna use them as storage. We're gonna put in flippers and masks. Everything will be bagged, it won't come out. On the front, I've now put trolling motor mount. So that's what I'm gonna put up there. And we put a couple of, let me see if I can get them here. Do the Vanna White hand for you. There you go. A couple more pieces up on the front. We're not really gonna have people jumping off the front. So we've got sides to where they can go off of, as you can see right there. So they can jump off there. There's the Bimini top. How nice. Let me see. Going around the rest of the way. Got the ladder on the back. Got a little wood trunk storage right there. Went ahead and beefed up where the motor is going to be mounted at. Put some bolts in there, so I don't want that moving. Other than that, it is just paint day. So this is what it all looks like. We've got a lot of orange, a lot of white, and a lot of blue we're going to be putting on it. I'll check back in a little later and show you guys where we're at. Bye.